Welcome to Learn Polish Podcast, episode number 466. 466. I'm here with my buddy Daniel, and I didn't turn off my phone, so that's why you hear it bing, and I give out to people for doing that, but sure, we're not going to start again. We're going to continue. Today, we're going to talk about, I suppose, what's a bing in a phone when the phone goes bing? What would you say that in Polish? How would you say that? Bing. Yeah, what would you say? Notyfikacja? Notification, yeah?
Ktoś coś napisał, można powiedzieć.
Okay. So today we're going to talk about types of flowers. So how would you say that in Polish?
Rodzaje kwiatów.
Rodzaje kwiatu. Yeah, okay. So we've got a picture with about 5, but I made a few more just to help people. So I suppose the first one we see, beautiful red rose.
Róża.
So czerwone róże, tak? Because I know
Czerwone.
that you can get different colors of róże as well, but I suppose most people would know that. Now, the next one, and it's to the right of the picture, and you see it in a pond, a lotus.
Lilia.
A lilie.
Lilie.
No, lotus. I think that's a lotus. Kwiaty lotusu.
Ja myślałam, że ci chodzi
Well,
o-
I can understand why you wouldn't know that, because most people would never see that. Have you ever seen a lotus? No.
Widziałam lilię, ale tego nie.
Okay. Now, this next one is tulip.
Tulipan.
Tulipan. Bo jest sklep tulipan, tak?
Tak.
W Łodzi. So, now, next, and it's good for keeping kind of robaki away, lavender.
Lavenda.
Lavenda. A lubisz pachnie lavenda?
Nie.
Now, next one is you can actually eat the seeds from it. Sunflower.
Słonecznik.
Słonecznik. A lubisz ten seeds?
Nie.
Yeah. Now, the other ones aren't on the picture, but we've written down a few others. Lilies.
Lilie.
Lilie. It's like a dog, isn't it? Your dog is called Ivy, so that's like flowers, well, isn't it? Poison ivy. Now, daisies.
Stokrotki.
Stokrotki, yeah?
Tak.
And daffodils.
Narcyz.
Narcissus, daffodil. So, co jest twoje ulubione kwiat?
Mhm.
What's your favorite flower?
Róża.
Róża. I jest koleżanka na twojej szkoły, Róża. Is it spelled the same way?
Tak.
Tak? Dobrze. So, that's a nice short one for today. You might let us know what other flowers that we didn't mention that you'd like to know, and what's your favorite flower. So we're on BitChute, YouTube, and Rumble. You'll find everything on learnpolishpodcast.com. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, 5-star rate, and share with your friends. Until next week, dziękuję bardzo i do widzenia.